Welcome to the PEP Family Resiliency Program. I'm Kathy Hedge, the Executive Director of PEP. We're here to share strategies to help you help your children better handle stress and setbacks that happen as part of life. We'll also share ideas on ways to talk with your children to improve their self-motivation and cooperation. And we want to provide you with a safe space to connect with others and see how these strategies best fit within your own family. This program is divided into 6 weekly lessons: helping your child manage transitions and change, raising more motivated and cooperative kids, understanding and supporting your child's mental health needs, when to set limits and when to let go, responding to your child's strong emotions, and what to do when your anger flares. Each lesson starts with an instructional video, followed by a group discussion with a PEP facilitator. You'll talk about how the ideas might work in your family, or how you might adapt them to better fit your needs. There are no right or wrong answers in these discussions. This program was developed by the Parent Encouragement Program, better known as PEP. PEP is a nonprofit organization that provides parents and caregivers with support and guidance to raise their children to become capable, confident, and resilient adults. I've been with PEP for 10 years, and I've taken PEP classes myself. I've seen amazing results with my own family and with the thousands of families in our programs. Our goal is not to be a perfect parent, whatever that is. Our motto at PEP is progress, not perfection. We all need help on our parenting journey. We're so glad you're here.